question that, okay, if you want to express any feelings to your friends or any your parents, okay, how you will express your feelings, okay, using any one of the language, correct? Like what, which of the language, like Marathi, English, Kannada, or Hindi, Tamilu, Telugu, or any other language you all used to express your feelings, means to whom you are expressing the information, okay, or feelings, the person should understand that language you all will use. Is it right? Similarly, the computer will not understand our human being languages like Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, any other language it will not understand. The computer has its own language, okay. What? The computer has its own language. So now if I want to express any feelings to, not feeling, any information to computer, okay, so if I will communicate with Marathi with the computer, then computer will not understand that. So what the computer should computer will understand the language, that language I have to use, then only I can reach the information to computer. So in the computer languages, one of the language we call it as logo, okay. Logo is a one easiest computer language. There are so many computer languages available in the computers, in that logo is one. Similarly, C, C++, Java, or HTML, there are hundreds of computer languages available, okay, but that everything we will study in higher classes. But in this chapter we will learn that logo. So now the full form of the logo is what? Logo means logic oriented, graphic oriented. I'll repeat, logo means logic oriented, graphic oriented. Through this, what all we can do? Through this logo language, we can draw the pictures, we can do the calculations, also we can print the text on the graphical area. So now before drawing or whatever we are learning, we'll study how to open or how to start the logo application in the computer. So just click on the start, okay. Just click on the start, okay, and just search in this call, we call it as LOGO, logo. The computer will search and it will give us that Microsoft Windows logo. Just click on that. The wizard will appear in the screen and just click on the OK. Then this logo application will get open on your screen. Okay, they now see here in the logo, okay, in the logo screen is split into two parts. One is above the part and another one is below the part. From here till over here, this is called, it as main or graphic screen. This is from here to till over here, we call it as main or graphic screen. This is the main window to draw any pictures, okay. Here we can draw the pictures. Also we can find the rectangle over here. See now, this is the rectangle, okay. Here there is a one rectangle. You all can see this, okay. This we call it as turtle, okay. I'll repeat, this triangle we call it as turtle. Now another one is commander window. This, the below, which is there from here till the here now, this is called it as commander window. In this, the small area under the main screen is used for typing the, see now here the small area is over here till this, till at the last, okay. This is called as command input box. This is the input box. Here the computer will allow us to type the text over here. See now. Is it right? We are inputting here. So this is called as command input box. Now another one is what? recall list box. This is called as recall list box. Above the gray portion is there. In this video, maybe you all are not able to see this gray it is. Okay, this is looking gray, and this is called, here only we can type, but other here in the what recall text box we are not able to type anything. Okay, only in the input box. Okay, only in the command input box we can type it, whatever we will type. Okay, see now I will type FD 100. Okay, as soon as when I press my enter key. Okay, as soon as when I press my enter key, see now the whatever I have written, okay, FD 100, this will shift it to recall list box. See now. Okay, have you observed this? Whatever the written I hover, it is went to in the recall list box. So now see here, there are these some, what I have told, this is what, this is the graphic screen, upper portion. This is the graphics screen in which we can draw the pictures. This is called recall list box. This is command input box. See here now, there are on the right hand side, okay, they are the different buttons available in the right side. Okay, these buttons are called as control buttons. These buttons are called as control buttons. One is execute button and another one is end all. Okay, halt, trace, pause, status, step and reset. These are the buttons in which we can control our program. So see, we'll see now one by one. Okay, what is now execute button? To run our command. Okay, to run our command, we use the execute button. Whatever I'll write here, FBK 50 I will write. Okay, this everything I'll tell you what is BK, what FD. Just I'll click on execute. See now, as soon as when I'll press my execute button, it will got executed and the line is drawn according to like that. Okay, now status button, it display the status of current setting in logo. See now, the status button, it will give us the status. Okay, what the width is, what the style it is, what the orientation, what the turtle position it is, and what the turtle color it is. Okay, everything about our turtle, it will give the status. Okay, just I'll click no status, then it will disappears. Then halt button. Okay, halt button means what? It immediately stop the logo from processing further. See now, halt button, if it is getting, see now here, halt means it stops the execution processes. Pause button, it stop the execution of the logo. Okay, in between pause. Okay, in between it will get paused, and again after that we can recontinue our program. Now reset button will give us the reset the logo output screen. Reset means the output screen, whichever the we have drawn in the graphic area part, everything will clears the screen. Now in detail we will study about the what logo term. See, as this is this triangle, now I have told you what we call it as turtle. Is it right? This is called it as turtle. Now the turtle, it's having two what mainly parts. Okay, one is the head and one is the tail. See now, the above portion, okay, the triangle which is intersected to one point, this we call it as head, and the base, the line is there, no, this base line we call it as tail. The above one is head and the down one is tail. Now the next one is primitives. Primitives is means what? The logo commands are known as primitives. See, this is the logo command. Whatever the command we will give to computer, okay, through the logo language, okay, not in our human being language. This is called as primitives. I'll repeat what the primitive means. The logo commands are known as primitives. They instruct the logo turtle what they have to draw. See now, whatever the instruction I will give, the turtle will what move like that. So primitive means the commands are given to the computer is called as primitives. Now program means what? When we write primitives on the what input text box, okay, input text box, like one after the another. This is called as primitive known as program. So multiple primitives, one after the another set of the primitives is called as the program. Now I'll show you how to draw the what line, forward line. Okay. Now this is called as turtle. Basically where the turtle is, they see now here it is. Now what I'll do, I want to take the forward 100 steps. Okay. To forward means FD I will take. Forward, I'll give a space 1. Now how many steps I want to take is 100. And just click on execute button. See now. The 100 step turtle took and it took to forward. Okay. And one more again 50 steps I want to take. Again write FD, type 50. See now, observe over here. Okay. Just I'll click on execute. It will take 50 steps. Okay. Are you getting? Now I want to come back to again original place. See now from our original place how many steps forward we have taken. First I took 100 and the next one I have taken is 50. So total from the from starting to I have taken 150 steps. What I will do, I want to come back to again my original place. So back I have to go. Back means BK. BK is nothing but back. To come back to how many steps I want to come back, give a space bar and 100. Okay, only 100 and 100 step I'll come back now. Okay, see now where I came. Again I have to come BK 50. So I'll come back to 50 steps. See, whatever the command you will write, give a space bar and how many steps you want to take it, write it. Okay. Now, also we can take right, left or any other degrees like 45 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree. Okay. So now see here, we can move our turtle. Okay. We can move our turtle from 0 degree to 360 degree. Okay. Remember this. See now again I want to take my right side. Okay. I'll move my right RT, how much? 90 degree. See, the turtle is right side it turn. From right side, I'll take forward one line as 120 steps I will take. See now. Observe. Now again, I want to take that turtle right again. RT 90 degree. See now, down it came. RT 180. Even 45 degree also I can take. RT. Okay. I'll take forward line of 45 steps I will take. See now. Again 45 degree I want to move at the left side. Okay. LT 45. See. The turtle is how? It got 45 degree. It changed. I'll take a forward line of 100. See now. Are you getting, children? Left side means LT, right side means RT. The turtle moving of the turtle. Now RT I'll do RT 20 degree I'll move. See now. I'll take forward line of what 50. See now. Are you observing? Okay. Now again the next whatever I have drawn the image. Okay. So again I want to come back to my home. Means what where I were first position the turtle was there. Just write HOME and click it. See now. Till home the line is drawn. Okay, are you getting? Now if I want to close my logo window, okay, if now I want to close my logo window, just write bye and click as soon as when you will press the enter key. The logo application, whatever you have executed, this logo will disappear. Means it will closed. So remember this, in a logo computer language is used to draw the pictures and also we can do the calculation. See now logo screen is split into main two parts. One is main screen and another one is commander window. This is the main screen and this is the commander window. Commander window again it is classified into two parts. One is commander input box and another one is recall list box. This is recall list box. This is commander input box. Now the turtle. Okay, this we call it as the turtle. So turtle is having two parts. One is head and the another one is tail. Logo commands are known as what? Primitives. And the next one, program, means what? The set of the primitives. The set of the primitives are called as what? Program. So now I will do what? I want to close my, just I will type bye over here and I'll press enter key. The what? Our logo command will, the logo command will get closed. Okay. Have you understood, children? Okay. And in the next class